Hello guys, how you doing? It's been a while. So, today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on how to do this. Yeah, this. How to make your twin brother stand beside you in Photoshop, which is you, right? So, it's not that hard. First, have a picture of you on a bike. Have a picture of you standing. I got this boy to help me with the bike because I want the bike to be in the same position, so that will be easier for me. And yeah, that's it. So what you just do is unlock the layers. I already done that already. Unlock it, place them on top of each other, like carry it all the way, which I've already done that here already. Come in, just let me. So that's it. I've placed them on top of each other here. So see here and here. So what I'm gonna do is this. Once you ping that one here, it will be harder if I were to clean this side with the bicycle. So complicated. How would you even think of that? No. What you just do is this. You clean this side, so this person here behind there will pop out. So let's start. Reduce opacity. So we know where everybody is. So don't be erasing anyhow. You know that okay, yeah, AY is over here. Or Abdussalam, either one you want to call me. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, reduce it. Yeah, not bad. It's okay. Then open your layer mask. Very, very important. This one over here. Yes. That way it will be non-destructive when you're creating, erasing, adding, and anything. So when it is white, you use black. So get a brush. Yes, get a brush. Press X to change from white to black. So that's it. Then you press X again. Yeah. So press Alt and your mouse, middle mouse button, scroll up. You zoom in. Yes. Then start cleaning. You can see this fine boy is coming out, man. Okpo, 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 okpo. Don't blame me, sha. That way, move. So we'll start cleaning. Is it cleaning? Yeah, erasing somehow. But since we're using a layer mask, it's non-destructive. If I make any mistake, while clean outside the person outside, like when now I'm supposed to be cleaning me alone. So if I make any mistake, I can always correct that. You understand? And again, if you're wondering, I used a tripod stand to get this video, like to get the picture. It was stable. You can see that the mistakes are not much. There are never mistakes at all. I see I'm already through like this now. So just increase opacity back, and you can see twin brothers. So now you now start zooming here where mistake could be. Yes, yes. Because it's not fine. How you be having a faded picture on Instagram? No. Yes. So yes, yeah. You see, a lot of things to work on. It's okay here. It's okay here. So you just get the logic. It's not that hard. Just you can see. Just a little bit cleaning. Yeah, I forgot to brush my hair before I took the picture. I already brushed it out, so if you're wondering. But again, that's okay. You can see how this layer must look like. If you, yeah, yes, you're just cleaning, yeah. That's just clean there. And bring it back. That's it. So you're cleaning behind the layer to bring that one out. Yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want some more videos like this, follow me and subscribe to my channel. It's really appreciated. And if I made any mistake or you have any critics or corrections or recommendations or what I should make for you in the nearest future, leave a comment down below. I would love to do it. I'll answer your questions. Anything. Thank you very much. So you export. Just export as and wherever you're taking it to. Right now, I'm just taking it to my Photoshop folder. Yeah, I wanted this to just be very fast if you were wondering. And for my one I did was 20 minutes. I was like, man, I wasted you guys data. So sorry. I didn't mean it. Just like what? Yeah. And then you can't see my face.